Wing in taking him house for $200. Though Mr. Wing said no, he said that he will not offer the Mogwai at any price, even if it was the cash he and his grandson required extremely severely. Nevertheless, his grandson disobeyed his grandfather's cautions by selling device to Randall by the curb and informed him of not exposing him to light, especially sunshine, and water, and to never feed him beyond midnight. It was just after Lynn, Randall's partner, and Billy's mommy attempted to take an image of the two with Billy's canine Barney, Woof-Woof as Gadget would call him, with flash photography that Randall notified the household the guidelines of caring for a Mogwai. In spite of unintentionally blinding Gadget with light reflected from a mirror, then Billy got along with him really well. It ended up being clear from the very first day the newly spawned Mogwais were not like Gizmo in terms of character, as Stripe spat at Device mercilessly. Right after an occurrence that left Barney tangled in Christmas porch lights and being sent out away for a few days, then the very first batch deceived Billy into feeding them past midnight by gnawing on a wire on his alarm clock, and they greedily consumed all the chicken drumsticks that he provided. Then they discovered Stripe in the local YMCA, and they saw and scary as Stripe dived into the swimming pool, forming a big army of gremlins ruining Kingston Falls. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.